so excited to see what's in here. A ball?
Wow, just wow.
What? Ryder, look!
No. Ta-da!
Whoa!
Wow.
Let's play with it! Hey guys, this video is a paid advertisement from Spin Master.
Watch how you play with this toy.
Now we're ready to work. First, let's load up the tools. You open this right here, put the tools in, and close it back. Now let's put Rocky in. After we do that, we put the recycling cubes right in here. And then we just do this, and then the cubes will go here. Push this lever, and then it's going to be magic. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done. You have a recycling bin right here and one tool right here with two tools on here. Let's use the sweeper to clean up that trash. All clean, Ryder?
Yeah, let's go outside.
That storm just made a huge mess.
Yeah.
Let's use Rocky to clean it up.
But we need some tools.
I know! We can use the recycling cubes to make tools. Put them in. Hold it. Yes! I get my tool.
Let's fix these rocks.
Oh, queen. Now we have to go pick up those sticks. For this job, we'll need the claw. We got the claw. Good job, Rocky. Now that everything's cleaned up, let's plant some new plants.
For this job, we will need a hammer.